Bird flu 11-year-old girl in Cambodia dies after being infected. An 11-year-old girl in Cambodia has died after being infected by a strain of avian influenza community con of bird flu, the government says. It was the first non-human infections with the H5N1 strains in the country since 2014, the health minister's Mans Mongren says in a statement on Thursday. The girl from Province east of the capital's forms fans has reunions with bird flu after falling sick with a high fevers and cough on 16 February, the statement said. When various condition determines the of these sufferings in the National Children's Hospitals in Homs, Finns found statements fortified on Wednesday, the health minister said. Since early last year's bird flu has ravaged farmers around the world, leading in the death of more than 200 million birds becomes on the disease of mass falls of the World Organization for Animal Health said.